Hello guys! In this video, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo ang actual na pag-apply natin ng SSS salary loan online. So, to start, punta na tayo sa Chrome. Here. And login na tayo sa ating My SSS account. So, sa search bar, i-type lang natin yung SSS. And lalabas ito, portal ng SSS. Click lang natin yan. And then dito makikita natin itong login to my SSS. So, click lang natin yan. So, i-login lang natin ang ating user ID and yung ating password. So, ayan na guys. Save lang natin yan. One-time PIN through SSS. SMS. So, click PIN. So, ito na yung profile natin guys sa SSS. So, to apply ng salary loan, dito lang tayo sa may loans. Dito sa taas guys. So, i-click lang natin yan and then makita natin dito salary loan, calamity, pension, or loan penalty condonation. So, ang applyan natin today is salary loan. So, i-click natin yung salary loan. Okay. Makikita natin yung ating details. Yung loanable amount natin is 32,000. So, yung disbursement bank natin, dapat may disbursement bank na kayong na-enroll sa inyong SSS account para tuloy-tuloy yung ating loan application. So, yung sa akin is Land Bank, yung na-enroll ko na bank. So, dyan nila i-deposit yung ating in-apply na loan. So, next na tayo. Ito guys, yung ating disclosure statement. I-download natin yan. Kasi manghihingi ng copy yung ating employer niyan. So, download ko muna. This is a statement. I mean disclosure. Save. So, nakasave na yan. Later on, ipapasa ko yan sa aking employer. So, sa baba, yan. Yan na. So, i-click lang natin itong box. I have read and understand the declaration and authorization and so on. So, next na tayo. Ayan guys, so, ito na. Kindly review carefully the information that has been provided. Loanable amount, 32,000. So, may service fee sila na 320. Advance interest, 357.70. So, may balance pa tayo sa previous loan na 3,000. So, ang net proceeds of loan, magiging 28,170 na lang. So, yan na lang yung ang net na matatanggap ko from SSS. So, i-deposit nila yan sa ating bank na naka-enroll sa SSS. So, 3 to 5 working days yung i-wait natin. Loan proceeds will be credited to your Land Bank of the Philippines Certification Agreement. So, i-click lang natin yung box and then submit. So, ayan na guys, state loan proceeds. So, check lang natin. I confirm the net amount of my salary loan. So, confirm. And guys, you have successfully submitted your salary loan application on May 10. So, loan proceeds will be credited to your Land Bank of the Philippines. Please take note of your transaction number. We are awaiting for your employer certification. So, After natin ma-apply ito guys, i-notify natin yung ating employer kasi magno-notify ito sa email nila na naka-registered. So, i-accept lang nila doon. And then, ma-proceed na ang ating loan application sa SSS. So, wait lang natin itong down. With pending loan application, so ito na yung status ng ating loan kasi waiting pa tayo na ma-certify ng ating employer yung ating application ngayon. So, later, mag-inform ako sa aming employer na nag-apply ako ng loan para ma-certify niya ang ating application. So, with pending loan application, you may apply for another loan after the processing of your existing loan application. Mag-notify muna tayo sa ating employer. And then, update ko lang kayo after ma-certify ng aking employer yung ating application. So, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!